Good news again for all Tornador users. Under the Rotador brand, we've developed the Adaptor to connect your Tornador Classic, Tornador Black or Tornador Basic directly to your wet-dry vacuum cleaner and both blow and vacuum the loosened dirt at the same time. This means the detailing business is now even more thorough, faster and more efficient because conventional vacuuming is omitted. This saves time and money. The advantages of the Adaptor in detail. The adapter increases the suction performance of your wet-dry vacuum cleaner and dissolves extremely deep-seated dirt easily from the surface to be cleaned. And it can be turned through almost 270 degrees. Thus, the adapter can easily be adjusted for different working angles and works comfortably even in hard-to-reach areas. You can also adjust the front nozzle to the corresponding operating angle. Operating the Adaptor. First, the coarse dirt has to be vacuumed with the mounted Adaptor. By switching on compressed air and adding cleaning liquid, the deep-seated, heavy dirt can be dissolved from the surface and simultaneously vacuumed. Finally, just blow and absorb the remaining moisture at the same time. The surface is deeply cleaned and dry. You can hand the car over immediately to your client. And the adapter is so quick to clean. Simply hold it in a bucket of water and blow water through it for about 10 seconds under pressure. Handling has never been so thorough and efficient. Fitting the Adaptor to your cleaning gun, here demonstrated for the Tornador Black Z020S. Unscrew the nozzle and screw on the rotating adapter. Tighten it using a 24mm combination wrench and attach the Adaptor housing with its front nozzle. Now just connect the Adaptor easily to your wet-dry vacuum cleaner. For different muffler diameters, we've included adapter lenses. Done. The detailing can begin. The advantages of the Adaptor at a glance. Increased suction power, rotatable through 270 degrees, no swirling of dust and dirt, no need for dust respirators, no subsequent vacuuming, simple and flexible handling. Adapter lenses for different muffler diameters. Suitable for all Tornador cleaning guns. Easy to clean with water pressure in a bucket. Robust design. Get the Adaptor for your Tornador cleaning gun now. Pour deep cleaning with simultaneous vacuuming. Detailing has never been so easy.